back to Do Network. I'm Dr. L. During this winter holiday season, are you planning to celebrate Christmas and you want to do something just a little bit different with the decorations? If so, consider a different theme and or color, keeping it still in the holiday spirit, of course. Artificial trees now come in a variety of colors such as pink, my favorite, blue, purple, red, and so on. Whatever suits your fancy, I say go for it. Do it! This year, I'm going for a winter white theme. I want to show you just what I did with my 6-foot tall winter white tree and the decorations such as garland, candy, lights, tree toppers, and so forth. Let me show you. For that winter white Christmas, be sure to lay down a tree skirt right on the floor and then place the base of the tree directly on top. Now that each of the 3 branches are inside of their secured poles, start to detach the branches and just spread them out from the base all the way to the top, one by one. Now that our 6-foot tall white tree has been all fluffed out, let's decorate it with candy, lights, of course a tree topper, and 2 types of garland, the fluff kind, and of course, to make it more fabulous, the kind with pearls. So we have decorated with 2 types of garland, lights, and a star tree topper. We'll go back over it and put more garland around just to fluff it out a bit more. And to top it off with some candy in your winter white theme, be sure to buy candy or gumdrops in white color. For example, I put white gumballs or gumdrops inside of a tall, thin stem crystal glass. Sure to be a sweet treat for your guests and a great breath freshener as well. I hope you have fun with your decorations. Share with us what you've done or what you plan to do, and be sure to check us out at donetwork.net.